Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry tips and tricks. A photon of wavelength 4 into 10 raised to minus 7 meters strikes on metal surface. The work function of the metal being 2.13 eV. Calculate the energy of the photon. You have to find it in eV, okay, not in joule. The kinetic energy of the emission and the velocity of photoelectron. And they have given the conversion. 1 eV means 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule. Before starting the answering part, you remember this conversion, okay? X joule is equal to X by 1.6 into or 1.6020 into 10 raised to minus 19 eV. So if you want to convert joule to eV, divide that number with 1.620 into 10 raised to minus 19. Okay, keep that point in your mind. Now here, which are the given values? Wavelength is given, right? A photon of wavelength 4 into 10 raised to minus 7 meter. It's given. Now, see, if you know wavelength, you can directly find the energy of photon. No other values are required. So directly we can find the energy of photon. What is that? Hc by lambda. So what is that? 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34 into 3 into 10 raised to 8 by lambda is what? 4 into 10 raised to minus 7. So you can find the energy by calculating. So it is like 4.97 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule. Okay. Now we need answer in what? EV, right? So you have to divide the answer with 1.6020 into 10 raised to minus 19. Then you will get answer in joule. So 4.97 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule, right? We need energy in EV. So what you have to do? Divide the answer in joule with 1.6020 into 10 raised to minus 19. Clear? Now on dividing, you will be getting like 3.1 eV. Clear? So we got the answer. So energy of one photon is 3.1 eV. Now we can move to the next question. The kinetic energy of the emission. See, this question is regarding photoelectric effect, right? A photon is hitting on the metallic surface and electron is ejecting out, correct? And you have to find the kinetic energy of the emitting electron. You remember the equation for photoelectric effect. What is the equation for the kinetic energy of the emitting electron? It is h nu, that is energy of photon, minus h nu 0. What is h nu 0? That is work function. Work function. See, in the question, work function is directly given. What is that? Work function is h nu 0, and that is what? It's given that 2.13 eV. Okay, so kinetic energy of the emitting electron is given by the equation h nu minus h nu 0. H nu means energy of photon, that we already find 3.1. Work function is h nu 0, which is given in the question 2.13. On subtracting, you will be getting like 0.97 eV. Got it? 0.97 eV. Now third question, you have to find the velocity of the photon. For finding velocity of photon, you need kinetic energy in joule. So we can convert the kinetic energy from eV to joule. How to do that? 0.97. So you can see 1 eV is what? 1.6020 into 10 raised to minus 19. Which means if you want to convert eV to joule, multiply that with 1.6020 into 10 raised to minus 19. Clear? So you got answer in what? Joule. So you'll be getting like 1.55394 into 10 raised to minus 19. Now, very easy, right? What is kinetic energy? Half mv square. Correct. So what is v square? V square is equal to 2 into 1.55. That is enough, okay? Into 10 raised to minus 19 by m. Now what do you have to do? We are supposed to find v, right? So v is equal to root of 2 into 1.55 into 10 raised to minus 19 by m, mass of electron. What is that? 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31. See, on calculating this, okay, you have to find root. Okay, you will be getting like 5.8 into 10 raised to 5. You can use logbook for solving the final step. Okay. Conversion of unit of kinetic energy from EV to joule is compulsory. Then only you will get answer in meter per second. Okay. But you keep in mind, you cannot use the kinetic energy in EV for finding velocity. Okay. You have to convert EV to joule. That is very, very important.